So I joined Clarke's in July '99. I've been on Clarke's now for 18 years. Throughout that period of time, I've seen every type of job that you can think of I've been involved in. So I've gone from your refurbs of your offices, I've gone to new builds, I've done underground, shopping centres, data centres. Every job, every day has its own challenges. The good thing with TClarke's is being here for as long as I have, is you get to know the people you know from when you did your apprenticeship or when you first come into the office or onto site, then people are still there now. It's just like one big family. Back in 2006, I was involved in the LUL sidings, which was based on the Westfield site. We were moved over onto the main development itself, which was the shopping centre. Loads of challenges, fast-paced job, huge project to deal with. We had over 300 men at one point directly employed, excluding subcontractors. We had over 11 kilometres worth of containment, cabling associated with it. Trying to make that all work within the space constraints and the size of the job was a big challenge. The good thing that I find is actually working with trades, working with different contractors and that, building that special relationship with them so that when you do a job and you do a job correctly, on time, on budget, and you're delivering it snag-free, you can then get the recommendations to move on to the next project. Over the years with building relationships with people, I'll use Rathbone Square as the prime example of what we've actually managed to achieve. So here outside Rathbone Square, a large commercial development made up of 7 floors plus 3 levels of basement. We've been on this project now for going on 2 years. We've just achieved PC. And we're in the final stages now of handing over the residential building, which had a separate handover period. That happens next month. Let's go and have a look. It's been a fantastic project. We've managed to deliver the commercial building, which is made up of 6 floors. They've got 212,000 square foot of lettable space, which has now been let, which we're now a part of. There's 162 apartments built on the other side of the development, and it's the first project in London that has its own central square, so it's the first green space that's been created for a project. So we won that project back in 2015. We had a design period where we led up to it. We worked with the teams, we worked with the client quite closely, and then what that's allowed us to do is then move on to site with a full coordinated BIM model, which has now been used on this job for the first time. Since then, we've been able to progress through the project, develop a great relationship with Lend-Lease. That's now led on to a new project that we're in negotiations with, where before it was going to go out to competitive tender. Everyone's been extremely impressed with the quality of work that we've been able to achieve here, especially, as I say, with the tight constraints that we've had. We've hit every milestone, every challenge has been put forward to us. Everyone's happy with it. We're now in the stage of negotiating the next project with them, rather than going out a competitive tender based on the work that we carried out on this project. They want the same team to work on that project, work with them and help them develop it for the new client. Over the 18 years I've been on with TClarke's, I've had a fantastic opportunity where I've been involved in huge projects with major technical innovations that have been put forward from. However, the biggest part for me is about building relationships, where you can walk onto a project and know the people. They have the confidence in what you can do, what you can deliver, from what they've seen you do in the past, that they want you back on that project again. There's no greater feeling than that.